We're here at the hospital bed refurbishing warehouse, and these are actually being remanufactured. So we're going through the first stage. First stage is stuff's coming in. It's going to go through here. We're going to take it, and it's going to start being completely disassembled. So this whole section right here, all the rails, all the pieces of the beds, everything's going to be completely stripped off. Total Care beds, this is a station right here where all the modules are going to be completely tested and remanufactured. But to go back, here's all the other beds. Now these are all being disassembled. Once they go through the disassembly process, they're going to start being sanded down. And so they'll start prepping the beds, getting them all ready to be painted. And here's the section right now where you're going to start seeing everything going through and being sanded. So now we're going through the sanding process. And then everything's going to be set up and it's going to be ready to go into the paint booth. So once it's ready to go into the paint booth, which we're going to see here in just a second, we've got two full-size paint booths. Each one of these could hold at least 2 cars, brand new. All the ventilation takes everything through the floor. We're actually doing the copper hospital beds here right now. So here's beds right now for copper. And here's one of the paint booths, which we'll go into real quick. This is all being redone, all being painted. These are being done with copper. Then once we're done with that, we're going to start the reassembly process. And the reassembly process, here's beds right now that have VersaCare beds that have just come out of the paint booth, and these are going to be done and ready to be reassembled. Reassembly is going to include all brand new wires, all brand new plastic on the rails, completely remanufactured. And here's all the parts which are going to start being used to go ahead and reassemble the beds. All the wiring, all the cable, the motherboards, everything for every bed model made by Hill-Rom. It's all going to be redone here, including brand new plastic for the headboards, the footboards, the top sections, and then also brand new designs for VersaCare beds for the head and footboards, which are also now being done. This is a brand new footboard that's been manufactured and designed right here at the factory for the VersaCare beds, all the rails, and now we're in the final stage with reassembly with all the rails being right done. If you're looking for completely remanufactured hospital beds, give us a call, iMedical Equipment and Service. We can manufacture these beds, ship them all over the world, and also set up other countries so they can do their own manufacturing. They can produce their own equipment, and we can send all the parts and pieces to help create jobs and also be able to manufacture these beds anywhere in the United States, engineered here with and manufactured in the United States. iMedical Equipment and Service, your one-stop shop for hospital beds and everything you need in medical equipment.